In a world driven by change, few names in the automotive industry stand as tall and consistent as the Toyota Corolla. From its humble beginnings in the 1960s to becoming the best-selling car in the world, the Corolla has built a reputation not through flashy gimmicks, but through relentless dependability, subtle innovation, and unmatched global trust. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Toyota Corolla more than just a car, it's a legacy. The Toyota Corolla was introduced in 1966. Within just 8 years, it became the world's best-selling car, a title it continues to hold. The secret: simplicity, affordability, and engineering excellence. Through the decades, each generation reflected the values of its time, whether it was fuel efficiency during the oil crisis, improved safety in the 90s, or the hybrid revolution of today. Toyota's approach to the Corolla has always been evolutionary, not revolutionary, prioritizing long-term customer satisfaction over short-term trends. More than 50 million units later, the Corolla isn't just a car, it's a benchmark. Modern Corollas strike a balance between form and function. Sleek, aerodynamic lines meet a confident stance. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly upscale for its class. Soft-touch materials, intuitive layout, and a driver-focused cockpit. Toyota offers multiple body styles, from the practical sedan to the sportier hatchback, and even a station wagon variant in some markets. Trim levels like the L, XSE, and GR offer options for different budgets and lifestyles. And of course, the hybrid model appeals to eco-conscious drivers without sacrificing daily usability. Under the hood, the Corolla may not be a race car, but it delivers where it counts: smooth rides, responsive handling, and class-leading fuel economy. The standard 1.8L and 2.0L dynamic force engines offer a good balance of power and efficiency, while the Corolla Hybrid pushes fuel economy above 50 miles per gallon. Toyota's CVT transmission, although debated among enthusiasts, is reliable and tuned for urban driving comfort. And for those who crave a little more excitement, the performance-oriented GR Corolla, powered by a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, is a bold departure from Corolla's conservative roots. Tech-wise, the Corolla punches above its weight. Every model comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of driver assistance features that includes pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and more. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with higher trims offering wireless connectivity, premium JBL audio, and a fully digital instrument cluster. It's technology designed to enhance the experience, not overwhelm it. The Corolla isn't just a hit in North America. It's assembled in over a dozen countries and sold in more than 150. Its reputation for reliability has made it the go-to car for first-time drivers, fleet operators, taxi services, and even automotive enthusiasts in disguise. Corollas often clock hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance, earning Toyota a near-mythical reputation for durability. The resale value, consistently among the best in its segment. Should you buy a Corolla? If you value peace of mind, low operating costs, and timeless design, the answer is a resounding yes. It may not have the aggressive styling of a European compact or the sportiness of some rivals, but it delivers where it counts: practicality, reliability, and value. For students, commuters, families, or anyone seeking a hassle-free ride, the Corolla remains one of the smartest choices in the market. In a world of fleeting trends, the Toyota Corolla stands tall, unchanged in its mission, but always evolving. Reliable, refined, and remarkably relevant. This is more than a car. This is the Corolla legacy. Visual. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more automotive insights.